Thank you for tuning in to this 10-minute grounding meditation. Today, we are going to be using our senses to go from a state of stress and anxiety to complete presence. First, let's find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest gently and allow your eyes to slowly close. This is your time. Let go of your to-do list and what might be causing anxiety or worry right now. This time is just for you. You will be more productive and clear after taking this time to breathe. This will help you. Take a slow breath in through your nose and gently out through your mouth. Again, slowly inhale and a soft exhale. Let your breathing begin to settle into its own natural rhythm. If your mind ever drifts away, bring it back with your breath. Bring all of your attention to your breath right now. Do not alter it. Just notice your breathing. What does it feel like as your breath enters your nose? Cool, gentle air. And as you breathe out, warm, soft. Now begin to feel your body. Notice where your body is supported. Your feet, your legs, your back, your head. Let yourself feel the light weight of your body, naturally resting in alignment. You don't need to hold yourself up. The ground, the floor, the surface beneath your body is holding you. Imagine the entire earth supporting you, holding you in its giant, loving hands. You can let go. Breathe and relax into the surface beneath you, supporting you. You are held. You are safe. With each exhale, let your body soften a little more. Now, with your eyes closed, gently bring your awareness to your sense of sight. You may notice light, shadows, soft shapes forming behind your eyelids. There's nothing to think about. Just notice. What do you see? Can you see neon colors or shapes appearing, moving, becoming brighter or fading away? Notice, relax, and breathe. Let your mind rest. Continuing to breathe deeply, shift your awareness to sound. What can you hear right now? Maybe distant sounds, sounds close by, Alarms, sirens, soft sounds, even the sound of your breathing. There is no need to label them. They are not good or bad. The sounds that you hear exist, and so do you, in the same world. Bring your awareness to what you can hear. Sounds appear and then fade away, just like your thoughts. You don't need to hold on to them. No need to react. Just listen, receive, and let go. Let the sounds anchor you in the present moment. Now bring your attention to the sense of touch. Feel where your body meets the supportive surface beneath you. The weight and the temperature of your hands. The feeling of your clothes on your skin. Maybe the air on your face. Is something tickling you? Notice these feelings. No need to move or change anything. Just notice. If you sense tension anywhere in your body, on your next exhale, send a wish to that tense part of your body to release. Send a wish there now. Allow, release. Now gently notice any sense of smell. Maybe there's a scent in the air or nothing noticeable. That's okay. Just bring your awareness to your sense of smell. And now taste. Is there a taste in your mouth? There's nothing to change. Just be aware. As we continue breathing deeply, allow all of your senses to come together and ground you in the present moment. Your breath, your body, sight, sounds, sensations. Everything is here right now. You are here. You are safe. You are grounded and present. Notice how your body feels compared to when you started. Even a small shift is enough. Take one deeper breath in, and an even slower breath out. Gently bring awareness back to your body and begin to move your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Become aware of the space around you. When you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Let the light in. Take this feeling with you. Calm, grounded, deep breath, aware. You. Try to bring your awareness to your breath throughout the day. If you notice it becoming shallow, deepen it. You can always come back to your breath. Thank you for breathing with me today. Remember to subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss another video like this.